In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude as your executive assistant. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable way to set up Claude to understand your schedule, priorities, and style, and then organize your work into a practical plan you can actually follow. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Claude AI. Look for the official Claude site in the results and click through. This takes you to the interface where you can start a new chat. Once you're in, you'll create a single, clear prompt that turns Claude into your executive assistant. Keep it simple but thorough. Ask Claude to gather your schedule, top priorities, ongoing tasks, communication style, and daily routines. Then, request that it produce a personalized assistant profile, a daily workflow, a weekly overview, a reminder list, and a summary chart at the end. You can phrase it conversationally, for example, act as my executive assistant. Ask me targeted questions to learn my schedule, priorities, tasks, preferred communication style, and routines. Then generate a profile of how you'll support me, a daily workflow, a weekly plan, a concise reminder list, and a clear summary chart. Avoid sharing sensitive info. General patterns and preferences are all Claude needs to be helpful. Click Submit. Claude will respond with a short set of questions. This is where the magic happens, so answer as specifically as you can. Share your peak focus hours, such as late morning or early evening, and note any time blocks you want to protect. Describe the kind of work you want to prioritize, like content creation, growth projects, or learning. Mention your preferred tone for reminders, brief and direct, supportive and motivational, or somewhere in between. Outline your routines so Claude can design around them. A morning stretch, a focused creation block, a learning hour, a flexible midday window, or an evening walk. For weekly structure, you might include a planning session at the start of the week, content batching midweek, and weekend errands. If it helps, add a monthly rhythm as well, such as a goal review, file organizing, and a skill upgrade session. When you've answered everything, click Submit again. Claude will compile your inputs and return a well-structured assistant profile, a mapped daily flow, a weekly plan that reflects your real constraints, a clean reminder list aligned with your style, and a summary chart that pulls it all together. If anything doesn't feel quite right, tweak your answers or refine the initial prompt and resubmit. Save or copy the plan so you can reference it daily and revisit it as your schedule and priorities evolve.